Hello, fellow moneymakers. Welcome to the Money Making Pals channel. Ever heard of digital drop shipping? No inventory, no shipping hassles, and tons of profit potential. Imagine selling products that you never physically handle, but still take home an income. In this video, I'm going to break down how you can start a digital drop shipping business in 2024. From finding the right products to marketing them effectively, I've got you covered. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for all things money. Stay until the end of the video, as I always save the best for last. Let's start with the basics. What exactly is digital drop shipping? Unlike traditional drop shipping, where you sell physical products without holding inventory, digital drop shipping is all about selling digital products that are delivered instantly to the customer. No shipping required. The products that you sell could be anything from ebooks and software to stock photos, music files, or printables. The beauty of digital products is that they can be sold repeatedly without having to worry about manufacturing or shipping costs. Once someone buys a digital product from your store, the file is automatically delivered to them via email or a download link. This means no logistics headaches and better profit margins. The digital dropshipping market is a rapidly growing segment within the broader e-commerce industry. Here are some key insights and statistics to help you understand the size and potential of this market. The global e-commerce market was valued at approximately $5.7 trillion in 2022, and it's projected to reach around $8.1 trillion by 2026, growing at a CAGR of around 10%. The pandemic accelerated the shift towards online shopping, leading to increased interest in e-commerce models like dropshipping, including digital products. The digital products market, which includes ebooks, online courses, software, and digital downloads, is expected to grow significantly. For example, the global e-learning market alone is projected to reach $375 billion by 2026. The digital goods segment includes various niches, such as ebooks, online courses, software, and apps. The ebook market was valued at $18 billion in 2020, and it's expected to grow at a CAGR of 4.5% from 2021 to 2028. Online courses is projected to reach $325 billion by 2025. Driven by the demand for remote learning and professional development. The global software market is expected to exceed $600 billion by 2025. The global dropshipping market was valued at approximately $102.2 billion in 2022 and is projected to reach $164.3 billion by 2028. While specific data on digital dropshipping is less commonly reported, it represents a growing niche, with the overall dropshipping model focusing on selling digital products like ebooks, online courses, graphics, and software. Consumers are increasingly spending on digital products due to their convenience, accessibility, and the rise of remote work and learning. The preference for instant access to digital goods has led to a growing market for online courses, ebooks, digital art, and more, all of which can be dropshipped without the need for physical inventory. Digital dropshipping requires minimal upfront investment compared to traditional retail, making it attractive for new entrepreneurs. There are no shipping or inventory costs, which further reduces the barriers to entry. Digital products can be sold to a global audience, expanding the potential customer base. The digital dropshipping market can be competitive, with many sellers offering similar products. Differentiation through unique value propositions and marketing strategies is essential. Ensuring the quality and reliability of digital products is crucial, as customers expect a high level of service and satisfaction. The digital dropshipping market is part of a broader trend towards online commerce, particularly in the wake of COVID-19 pandemic. With increasing consumer demands for digital products and low barriers to entry, the market presents significant opportunities for entrepreneurs. As a result, while it may not be easy to pinpoint the exact market size for digital dropshipping alone, its growth is aligned with the expanding e-commerce and digital products market, indicating a promising landscape for potential sellers. Now, why should you choose digital dropshipping over traditional e-commerce? Let's break down some key advantages. Since you're selling digital products, there's no need to worry about inventory or shipping costs. This reduces your upfront expenses significantly. Digital products can be sold endlessly without running out of stock. That means you can scale your business easily without worrying about production bottlenecks. Most digital dropshipping platforms allow you for fully automated delivery. That means that after the initial setup, your business can essentially run itself. And because there's no cost of goods sold like in physical dropshipping, the potential for profits is much higher. So how do you get started? First things first, you need to choose your niche. Picking a profitable niche is crucial because it determines what kind of digital products you'll be selling and who your target audience will be. Here are a few popular digital dropshipping niches to consider. Digital art and graphics is ideal for designers, photographers, or anyone with a creative eye. You can sell templates, stock photos, or even design assets like icons and fonts. If you have expertise in any particular field, you can sell educational content. It's a great way to monetize knowledge. For tech enthusiasts or developers, selling software, apps, or plugins can be a lucrative niche. Musicians and sound designers can drop ship music tracks, sound effects, or beats. The key here is to find a niche that not only has a demand, but also aligns with your interests or skills. The more passionate you are about your niche, the easier it will be to market and grow your business. Once you've chosen your niche, the next step is to find digital products to dropship. Now here's the kicker, you don't have to create these products yourself. There are plenty of platforms where you can license and resell digital products. Some great platforms to explore include Creative Market for design assets, Envato Market for templates and software, Etsy for unique digital goods, and Gumroad for ebooks and courses. You can license these digital products from creators, mark them up, and resell them on your own platform. Just make sure you understand the licensing agreements and have the rights to resell. Now it's time to set up your digital store. There are several platforms you can use, but I recommend starting with Shopify. It's user-friendly, integrates well with digital product delivery apps, and allows for easy customization. First, sign up for a Shopify account and choose a theme that matches your brand and product offerings. Shopify has a lot of templates designed specifically for digital products, so you can find something that suits your niche. Once you've chosen your theme, start adding product categories and uploading your digital products. Be sure to write compelling product descriptions that explain what the product is and how it benefits the customer. Since customers can't physically touch digital products, the description is your main selling point. Now, one of the most important aspects of digital dropshipping is automating the delivery process. You don't want to be manually emailing files to every customer who makes a purchase, right? This is where apps like SendOwl and SkyPilot come in. These apps integrate with Shopify to automatically send the digital file to the customer once the purchase is complete. It's hands-off and ensures a smooth customer experience. Now that your store is set up, it's time to drive traffic and start making sales. Digital products don't sell themselves, so you'll need to have a marketing strategy in place. There are several ways to market your digital product, but let's focus on 3 core strategies. Platforms like Instagram, Pinterest, and TikTok are great for showcasing digital products. Share engaging posts and videos, and don't forget to use relevant hashtags. Build an email list from the start. Offer a free digital product like a mini ebook or a downloadable guide in exchange for email signups. This will allow you to nurture leads and keep them updated on new products. Platforms like Facebook ads and Google ads can help you target specific audiences who are likely to be interested in your digital products. Just make sure to set up a budget and track your ROI. For instance, if you're selling an ebook, you can set up Facebook ads targeting users interested in similar topics. The more targeted your ads, the better your conversion rates. Once you've made your first few sales, it's time to think about scaling. Scaling a digital dropshipping business can mean expanding your product range, investing more in paid ads, or even creating your own digital products. You can start creating bundles of digital products to increase your average order value or partner with other creators to offer exclusive products. The key is to always be thinking about how you can offer more value to your customers while keeping your operations efficient. Before you dive in, let's talk about some common mistakes to avoid when starting a digital dropshipping business. Always double check that you have the rights to resell the digital product that you're offering. Not doing so can land you in legal trouble. Just because you have a great digital product doesn't mean people will find them on their own. Consistent marketing is key. Even though digital products don't require shipping, customers may still have questions. Make sure you have systems in place to provide timely support. Providing excellent customer service can set you apart from competitors and lead to repeat customers and positive reviews. And there you have it. Starting a digital dropshipping business in 2024 is a fantastic way to build a scalable, low-overhead online business. Whether you're selling ebooks, digital art, or software, the possibilities are endless. All you need is the right niche, a strong marketing strategy, and the ability to automate your processes. Remember, the key to success is to stay consistent, provide value to your customers, and always looking for ways to improve and grow your store. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more in-depth guides on how to build and grow your online business. Drop any questions you have in the comments below. I'll be sure to answer them. Thanks for watching and good luck with your digital dropshipping journey.